This is Suresh Bakri, Assumed Officer, Triple Department in Rise Krishna Sai Prakasham Group of Institutes. Today we will discuss about how to prepare electrical emission subject for the GATE examination. The electrical emission subject is one of the most important subject for the electrical students. So you can learn thoroughly the subject, you can get good marks in the subject, and what you studied in the BTech level point of view. So that is related to the subjects electrical machines 1, electrical machines 2, and electrical machines subject. The syllabus containing of the electrical machines for the gate. So that is the single phase transformers. What is the equivalent circuit diagram? What is the phasor diagram? Okay, what is the and uh, open circuit and short circuit test and regulator and efficiency. So that is the point of view by using the open circuit test. So what you will find out by using short circuit, what you will find out, what are the losses and how to find out the efficiency, and you can find out the efficiency at different loads that equal to half full load, T by full load, that full load, that point of view. And the three-phase transformers. So what are types of the three-phase transformers are connections. So what is the parallel operation and what is the auto transformer compared with the single phase transformer? That is the two-winding transformer. And electromagnetic energy conversion principle, that is the conversion of the electrical to mechanical and mechanical to electrical. That point of view, what is the machines are, we can consider the conversion of the energy from one form to another form. That is point of view. The DC machines, so you can study it, that equal to separate excitation, what are the types of the DC machines, and what is the motoring operation, and what is the generating operation, and what is the modes of operation, and their characteristics and applications, what is the starting methods, and what is the speed control of the DC machines. And three-phase induction motor point of view, what is the principle of operation, what is the type, what is the type, that equal to squirrel cage and the spring motor, and what is the performance, and the speed versus torque characteristics, and the no load and block power texture, equivalent circuit diagram. It is known as another name is the rotating transformer point of view. And the starting methods, we can start the three-phase induction motor. One is the speed control techniques, that is equal to UBF control, etc. And what is the principle of operation of single phase induction motors, what are the types, and what is the applications. Coming to the synchronous machine, what are the types? So cylindrical and sun pole machines, what is the formation? So how to find out the regulation? What is the parallel operation of the two or more synchronous machines connected in the parallel connection? How to share the, what is the load point of view? And starting of synchronous motors and the characteristics, types of the losses and efficiency, calculation of the electrical machine point of view. And coming to the analysis of the previous gate paper, so what are the total marks is got in the previous point of view. So the out of the gate pattern point of view. So that is the from the 91 to 1991 to 1994. So that is the 2 marks and 1 mark questions are there. That is the 1991. There is no given the any question from the electrical machines. That point of view, it is the blank. And the 1992, that is 1 mark is given and 2 marks is not given. That equal total 5 marks. 1993, it is the 1 mark equal 3 questions given and the 2 marks equal to 3 questions. The total equal to 9 marks. And the 1994, the 2 marks question is 1 and 1 mark question equal to 2. That equal total 4 marks. And coming to the 1995 to 2002, so the gate pattern is changes. It containing the 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, and 5 mark questions. So out of the 100 marks, that is equal to 1995. That is the 14 marks is motion was 14 marks are came. That equal to 5 1 mark questions, 2 uh, 2 marks questions is the 1 and 5 mark questions is the 1. And the 1996 not any question 5 marks questions, point of view, that equal to one more question is 5 questions, and 2 marks question 1 more, total 13 marks, 13 marks. And the 1997 there is no one more questions, but 2 marks questions 3 is, and 5 more questions 7 more, that is equal to 38 marks is weightage is given to the electrical machines subject, that is equal to, you can observe the 1991 to 2002, that is equal to, you can changes the weightage, you can increase the weightage of marks from the electrical machine subject. That's why electrical machine subject is the very important for the electrical students in the point of the gate aspects and the competitive exams point of view. Coming to the 2003 to 2013, that equal to the gate pattern also again changes. It contains one more question and 2 marks questions. So that is equal to 2003, that one more question is 7 marks question was given, and 2 marks it is 11 is given. Therefore, total equal to 24. You can observe the up to the from 2003 to up to the 2006, the weightage is the increases, but 2017 is slightly decreases, that equal to 18 marks to total weightage is given out of the 100 marks. And 2018 again it is increases, that equal to 24 marks, and 2004 it is the 19 marks, 2010 it is the 10 marks. After the 2011 to 13, the weightage is given the gradually decreases, that equal to 7 marks is given out of the 100, because of the point of the based on the what is the organization of the gate subject gate paper point of view, that point of view, that is IITs Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, that point of view. Okay, from the 2014, so one more question and 2 mark question, but it is the bait pattern is the online point of view. Before the 2014 it is the offline point of view. So that equal to, you can observe the 2014 to 2020, so that equal to the only 2015 one set 2 is the only 2 marks and 0 marks of the 2 marks is given, and total 2 marks is given. So that is the from 2014 to 2020. So that point of view, the total marks is equal to notly rapidly changes of the either increase or decrease. It is the constant point of view. You can observe that it is, you can get the average equal to, it is a 10 to 11 marks point of view, 10 to 11 marks or 12 marks point of view. So that point of view. Okay, we can observe the topic wise analysis point of view. Topic wise decimations point of view, what are the losses, how to find out the losses, and what is the efficiency, and what is the characteristics. So for the shunt motor, series motor, compound motor, and what is the control techniques are using the for the speed control of the DC motor point of view. It is a basic topic. Topic is covered in the DC machines point of view. So coming to the synchronous machine point of view, so what is the parallel operation point of view? So how to find out the regulation, how to find out the EMF point of view. Different types of the methods are using for the find out the EMF. ZPS method that is equal to that is example the point of view. And the single bit transform point of view, what is the parallel operation losses efficiency, and we can compare the two-way transform with the auto transformer. Coming to the three-way transform point of view, what are the types of the connections are there? So like a short connections and open delta connection point of view. So and the single phase induction motor, what are the different types of the single phase induction motor is there? That is equal to capacitor induction motor, that is called capacitor induction motor. That is point of view, and their applications. So which type of motor using the which application, that point of view. Okay, that is the three-phase induction motor. What is the torque equation? So how to find the efficiency? What are the characteristics point of view? That equal to, it is operating at the generator mode, it is operating at the motor mode, it is operating at the braking mode, that is the plugging mode. So that point, what is the techniques are using the three-phase induction motor? It is a connection with the power trans combination of the questions are coming in the point of the induction motor by this VPF control method using the speed control of the induction motor point of view. Okay, that is the servo motor and stepper motor, that is the application point of view, that is the special machines point of view. What is the application point of view? So finally we can get the weightage of the electrical machines, we can get the between the variation from the 9 to 13 marks, that is equal to minimum we can get the 9 marks, and that is equal to maximum we can expect at the 13 marks. That is a analysis from the previous gate pattern point of view, gate papers point of view. Coming to the references point of view, so that is so many textbooks are there. That is the standard subject. Electrical machines by Nagaratna Kotari textbook, and electrical machines by P.S. Bimbra, and electrical machines by Stephen Womans, that equal to, and these three are the very important for the theory point of view and problematic point of view. We can solve the problems are we can go to the solve problems. We can go to the exercise point of view. That is the it is one of the references methods, different methods, and the difference of the problems are getting from the gate point of view. That equal to we can maintain the one note notes and short notes, and we can preparation of the point of the practice point of understanding the, and we can revise the later topics point of view. Okay, in case of any doubt, you can refer the above three textbooks are important for the electrical machines point of view. And tips for the gate exam point of view. After completion of each chapter, you can try to revise the concepts of the same day. So you cannot prolong to another date point of view. Okay, not postpone to another date, and we can running the notes and the micro notes. Both are must be there. The micro notes is the important for the before the examination point of view. So you can recall the what is the important points in the topic wise we can point of view, and topic wise subject is just to help the identify the what is the weak area in the point of the concept point of view and the chapter point of view, so you can compare with the different students point of view. So that is the finally the electrical machines is the important subject. We can expect the 9 to 13 marks of the weightage in the point of the gate exam point of view. Okay, all the best. Thank you to one and all.